Automatic keyword harvesting is something that is completely unique to Helium 10. In the old days, how did you discover new keywords for your products? And these old school ways actually still work. You might put your competitors into Cerebro once a week or every other week and take a look. Are they showing up in sponsored ads, organic placements for new keywords on page 1 that you didn't know about or are not ranking for? You'd have to take all 10 of your competitors, run them one by one through Cerebro, and then compare the results. This is a really good strategy if you want to do things manually, but obviously time consuming. And I've got plenty of other things that I'd rather be doing. So with Helium 10, we have 2 different ways that you can just set it and forget it and get notified when any new keywords show up that meet your criteria. Here's how. The first way is inside of your Insights dashboard. This is for our Diamond members. And the second way is through Keyword Tracker for Platinum members. You just need to make sure that your competitors are set up for each product. For example, for my coffin shelf, I've got a couple of competitors here. Once you've set that up, go into your Insight settings, create a new insight under keywords, and choose whether you want suggestions based on your product or your competitors. If it's based on your product, you can set something like notify me if a keyword has at least 500 search volume and I'm organically ranked between position 1 and 10, but I'm not currently tracking it. You'll then get a notification to start tracking that keyword. You can do the same thing based on your competitors. Say if my product ranks between position 50 and 300, but the competitor is ranking between 1 and 10, notify me. If there are new keywords your competitor is ranking for, they'll show up on your dashboard. If you've got a Platinum account and use Keyword Tracker, you can do the same thing. Just go to the Suggested Keywords section, hit Customize Settings, and set the criteria for suggestions based on your products or your competitors. This essentially eliminates the need to run Cerebro manually unless you want the historical insights. And I personally love that. For all your active products, Helium 10 will automatically surface any new keywords that you or your competitors are ranking for that you're not already tracking. Again, this is completely unique to Helium 10. It does not mean you can't get this information manually. Like I said, you can just run Cerebro every 2 weeks if you'd like, but the competitive advantage here is automation. Instead of spending 30 minutes every 2 weeks doing keyword discovery, you now spend zero. And that is how it can help make you money, by helping you discover keywords your competitors are getting sales from that you haven't tapped into yet, and doing it at no additional cost to you from a time perspective. Make sure you've got automatic keyword harvesting set up on as many of your products as you have using Helium.